Ever stumbled across something so mysterious it makes your heart skip a beat? Imagine spotting a long-abandoned sports car in a backyard, its rusted body now impaled by a tree. Enough to spark wild speculation and heated debates. But here's where the story takes an unexpected turn. Recently, on TikTok, a home viewing video ended up stealing the spotlight for a completely different reason. A quick pan across the property revealed a battered coupe lingering in the backyard. And eagle-eyed viewers zeroed in immediately. Could this be an ultra-rare Bill Thomas Cheetah, the kind you could count on your fingers? The mere possibility had classic car aficionados buzzing. But not so fast. For those new to American sports car lore, the Bill Thomas Cheetah stands tall as a legendary specimen. Conceived in the 1960s and built in partnership with Chevrolet, fewer than 30 grace the roads. Its existence alone is a rare treat for collectors. Lightweight, untamed, and specifically designed to challenge the reigning Shelby Cobra. If one had truly been left to decay behind a stranger's house, well, it'd be cause for collective mourning among enthusiasts. And this is the part most people miss. The TikTok creator actually returned to the property to film the relic up close, answering everyone's plea for a better look. As the details emerged, so did the truth. The backyard Hulk didn't match the Cheetah's trademark features. The contours of the roof, the door handles, even the missing headlights, all painted a different picture. One truly odd feature, a tail light bizarrely placed within the cabin, glowing through what had once been the rear window glass. Colin Comer, a leading Cheetah expert and proud owner, ended the speculation with authority. It's a Cheetah-ish kit car, he declared. In other words, not the real deal, but a tribute or imitation born of the kit car craze, an era when enthusiasts assembled their dreams from fiberglass shells and mechanical bits, often producing wildly creative almost cars. But here's where it gets controversial. No one can quite say what this peculiar machine really is. Countless reverse image searches and reference checks turned up nothing definitive. Some folks point to Fiberfab or Kellison, two prolific kit car makers from the 1960s, and the J-Series from Kellison in particular bears a resemblance. However, nothing is an exact match. Could it be a unique one-off? Or perhaps an even rarer prototype than people realize? So what are you seeing when you look at this mystery car? Do you have an opinion? Or maybe know some hidden history about oddball kit cars? Don't just scroll past. Tell us your theory in the comments. Is the world staring at a forgotten automotive unicorn? Or is it simply another pieced-together relic from yesteryear's backyard dreams? Let the debate begin!